everyone! Today we're drawing Rocky from PAW Patrol. He's the clever pup who loves to reuse and recycle. And I'll tell you 10 fun facts about him while we draw. Are you ready? Let's get started! Rocky is a mixed breed pup. He's not one specific kind of dog, which fits his creative and resourceful personality. He's the team's recycling pup, always finding new ways to reuse and repurpose materials. His motto is, "Don't lose it, reuse it." Color theme. Rocky's main color is green, representing his love for recycling and the environment. He drives a green recycling truck that can turn into a boat and has lots of tools for fixing things. Rocky doesn't like water. It's one of his biggest fears. He tries to avoid getting wet whenever he can. He's the most eco-friendly pup in Adventure Bay and often reminds the others to be kind to the planet. Rocky is very handy. He can fix almost anything using spare parts and recycled materials. He's known for being smart and inventive, always coming up with creative solutions during missions. His pup tag has a recycling symbol, which also works as a communicator with Ryder. Rocky is voiced by several actors over the seasons, but his cheerful, clever personality has stayed the same since the very beginning. Great job, everyone! Now you know 10 cool things about Rocky, the eco-friendly pup from PAW Patrol. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more fun learning videos on my channel. See you next time! Bye-bye!